What's up YouTube? Back with another video. So I recently received a package today, something I haven't really shared with anyone yet, but I want to go ahead and show you guys what I got. It's not what's outside the box that's really important, it's what's inside the box that's really important. Before I start the unboxing, I just want to let you guys know that I recently got a sponsorship from Vivid Vinyls. So as you know, I recently wrapped my car in rose gold chrome. Been on the car for over a year. They actually saw my car, saw my videos on my YouTube channel, and reached out to me and offered me a full sponsorship. To me, it's super amazing. You know, you don't really get that a lot in your lifetime. The fact that they saw that they like my work and they like that the car was, you know, done pretty well, they reached out and was willing to give me vinyl to do some reviews and test them out and see how well they work in future installs and projects. So right here, what we have inside this box are samples of vinyl that I'm going to be opening up and showing you guys what they gave me. Also some sprayers and chemicals that they gave to help install the vinyl as well. Things we'll get into later on in the video. So let's go ahead and just unbox this real quick. So they sent me a premium precision cutter. I actually like it. It's a lot bulkier and fatter. So Vivid has this now, so it's pretty cool. I get to review this. They also sent me some solution. The first we have is Vivid Shield. What this solution does is when you apply chrome or sensitive vinyl, you don't want to scratch it. You want to spray this as a lubricant onto the chrome. Now that I have an actual official product, I can do a review on this on the chrome. This is what I've been trying to get from them for quite some time. It's called tack reducer. This pretty much reduces the surface tension of what you're wrapping so that the adhesive on the Vivid vinyl becomes less aggressive. I know it's heat activated for the most part because I installed the vinyl on my car last year during the hot winter times. You know, we don't really get cold around here, and it was a pain. If you're watching one of my old rose gold installs, you see that when I lay the vinyl down, you can see the adhesive attacking onto the car right away and leaving a bunch of microscopic and big bubbles all around, and it was really a big pain in the ass to glass it out. Some people did comment about why I didn't glass it properly. It's really hot in Florida, so we're gonna definitely try this. Mainly you would only need this on like horizontal surfaces where, you know, vinyl falls flat. That's where the most problems are. Got a 3M squeegee, and I assume these are the buffing pads. These are some very plush buffer pads, so I'm glad I got them. I usually use monkey strips, but they're super thin, but they don't really scratch the chrome. I'm gonna try these too. They actually kind of look like suede. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it looks kind of like suede. That's what it feels like. In this box, I have a big roll of vinyl, as you can see, certified Vivid, right there. I'm really stoked to have this opportunity from them. A surprise and a pleasure to be part of the sponsorship program with them. I've been wanting to use more of their products. It's just, I don't have a lot of work at all. I've just been wrapping my own personal cars, or my girlfriend's car, or my brother's car. But having this opportunity now, I can definitely expand my horizon and check out their products some more. This isn't the only thing they sent me. You can see the roll. There's actually a lot of colors in here. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking these out, and I'm gonna put it against the wall so you can see every single color. I'm super excited. Alright guys, so we have it here. I'm hoping my camera isn't too overexposed. I don't want the colors to be too off. I mean, the color looks exactly what it is on the camera now. Alright, so this is Vivid's new Premium Plus Series vinyl. This is matte, I want to say elephant gray. It's like a matte Nardo gray. This actually looks really, really good. I just want to pull back the adhesive, or the vinyl, and check the adhesive on it. It's super thin, just from the touch. Yeah, this vinyl is really, really thin. It's really thin. I can't really tell what measurements are. Here's the adhesive. You can see it's kind of like hexagon shape. The air release technology. Vivid does have their imprint on the back. You can see right there, Vivid Premium Plus. I don't know the color on top of my head, it's not written on here, but I want to say this is a matte Nardo or elephant gray. So we're gonna go ahead and just lay this up here real quick. Alright guys, the next color they sent me is like this vibrant Porsche looking color. It actually looks really nice too. This is super glossy. I can't imagine if you wrap a car with this vinyl, how thin it is, and how glossy it looks. It actually will probably look like paint. But Look at that. I know you can see the reflection in my car in the back. Same type of thickness. as the matte metallic or the matte elephant gray. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back up here. All right, the next color is also a matte, but this isn't like a regular matte black or satin black. It's hard to tell on the camera, but you can see the shimmer. It's like a matte metallic. It's got a little bit of green, a little bit of red flakes in it. You see, it's not like a regular satin black. It's a little shimmery. That's actually quite nice. Ooh, you can see it in the adhesive too. Yeah, this is a really nice color. I think Christian did the same exact color on one of the cars he did in Miami, the Eclipse. But it's super nice and thin. This is also a Premium Plus product. See, the reason why I say that one's like a matte metallic, because this is the regular satin black from Vivid. There's no shimmer or anything in it. You can see Vivid's name in there, XPO. On to the next color, we have this metallic satin red. It also has the same shimmery pearl, but I want to call it a matte metallic red. You can see that shimmer? That is quite nice as well. Let me show you far away how it looks like. So it's pretty much like the red satin chrome. Obviously it doesn't have the luster as the chrome would. Next we have an army metallic green. It's also matte metallic green, but it's an army color. I actually like this color. It's the same shade as my Scion XB, you know, but it's just a little bit lighter. Look at that color. Super nice. If done right, this would look good on a lot of cars. You know, as long as it's not too much of it, I think. This is also a nice color. Definitely want to try this one out. What do you guys think? So far, so good? So far from what we have a matte metallic green, or army green, I'm gonna say. Matte metallic red, matte metallic black. We have a regular, I won't call it Smurf blue. It's actually slightly darker than it is on the camera. And then we have this matte Nardo gray. So we're gonna keep going. All right, so next we have a gloss. Ooh, wow, this is a weird color. It's almost like a gray lavender. Yeah, it's like a gray, but has a tint of lavender. You can see in the camera, this is exactly what it looks like too. I don't know why, but the adhesive, oh, I lied. This is not vinyl, by the way. This is actually tint. Oh, yeah, that's right. I did ask for tint. So I've been wanting to tint my taillights and wanted to try the vinyl, but if you can see, I was looking at it real quick. There's actually like air released on the outside. You see that right there? Like almost like some type of like animal skin. I'm like, okay, but that's the air release technology. I peeled it back. It's tint. You see my thumbnail or my thumb showing right through. This is actually like a lighter tint. I've been wanting to do this. So actually, you're gonna see a video soon because I'm gonna tint my taillights with this. I actually like this light tint. I thought it was a color, but it's not. So this is perfect. And if I'm right, they probably sent me the darker one too, so I guess I will try that out and compare the two. Alright, the final item isn't gloss black, it's the darker tint that they offer. Pretty damn dark, right? So let's pull it back. You can kind of see my finger through it, but it's super dark. I know some people prefer the all murdered out tint for their taillights or headlights. This is a little bit too dark for me, but I'm still willing to try it. That's crazy. I didn't think it'd come in a big roll like this. I thought they would have sent like a smaller roll, but it's awesome. Alright guys, so we just went through the whole roll of samples that Vivid sent me. These are definitely some new colors. I'm really digging this matte metallic green and this blue. I'm not gonna wrap my car that color. I'm keeping the rose gold because I spent a lot of money on that vinyl and I want to keep it rose gold. But in terms of future projects, you know, we'll see how it goes. I haven't tried wrapping in gloss or matte vinyl yet from Vivid, but I'm willing to try this and see how it looks. Definitely going to do a video on the tint for the taillights so you can see how it's done and you can do it yourself. And I have the darker ones. So this is quite amazing. I'm really glad I got the sponsorship from Vivid. This is really cool that they sent me actual strips of vinyl rather than just the booklet. Like I said, I'm going to try and use their tack reducer and also use their shield guard to prevent any scratches on this. I don't think you need shield guard on matte metallic as long as your buffer is clean, but definitely on like gloss or chrome you're gonna need it. Thought I'd make this video and show you guys that I just recently got the sponsorship from Vivid Vinyls. Very thankful, very grateful that they actually reached out and watched my videos. I'm very happy to be part of the team. Of course, I'm not gonna discriminate, I'm not gonna be biased, but once we go ahead and test all of these colors, Well, I'll let you guys know how it works, how well it holds up. Let's not talk about it, let's show it. I'm gonna show you how my car looks after 1 year of rose gold chrome. It's actually quite amazing. So let's go and check it out. All right guys, so we're here, look at my car. Hopefully I'm not speaking too loud, but it's been over a year since I wrapped the car. I've done videos before already. I'll be honest with you, it's holding up pretty well. Color hasn't faded whatsoever. Like there are some flaws in the vinyl, I will admit. Like right here, this is from my own installation. You can see I overheated and overstretched in this area. I haven't really learned how to wrap that part of the hood, but I do have another piece of it, so I'm willing to do it again. Of course, the bumper isn't great, like I told you guys before. Here we go, overheating and overstretching in this area. When I tried glassing this out, when you try to pull and stretch the vinyl around here, it catches on this little piece, and it's hard to get your hand underneath here to try to work this out. So all it is I wasn't too aggressive enough when I went ahead and did the vinyl, that's for sure. But besides the bumper and the hood, the fender looks fantastic. Still shiny. I just washed it yesterday, but it's a little dirty now. I cut the grass too. It's holding pretty well on the mirrors. It's kind of hazing because I did overheat right here, but see here, this is where it's like still good, but only a little bit of pullback on certain areas. You know, I'm not gonna shy from showing you all the flaws, but in terms of the aggressiveness of the adhesive, really amazing. Of course, troublesome areas are these like complex corners. I just really have to redo it. So what I have to do is start wrapping from this edge so that there's no stretch, and then pulling back towards the front in a triangle pattern, and I shouldn't have any problems. You know, it looks pretty good around here and stuff like that, but just, you know, things like that. It's hard to wrap smaller things when there's no actual support, but like you see all these edges, it just looks really clean, looks really smooth. Even around here, nice. I do have some pullback, which is right here. You can see the blue underneath here. That's because it's a really tight area here, and I didn't do a nicer or wider inlay inside. It's just a very complex corner. It could have turned out way nicer, but you know, I'm doing what I can. But overall, the vinyl for a year has been great. Adhesive on it, it's super aggressive, and that's what you want. I'm gonna go ahead and get off this car, and I want to show you my girlfriend's car that I just wrapped. I wrapped this in APA America, super candy white. Paid over $600 to $700 for the vinyl. It looked great the same day I did it. It looked great about a week or two after, but it's been over, what, 2 months? It's been over 2 months. I'll show you some problem areas. The bumper looks great. The hood looks great. Fender looks fantastic, right? No pullbacks, nothing. For me, you know, I did a pretty damn good job. Even for this mirror cap, you know, I did some different techniques, and I was able to get the mirror cap looking great. No pullbacks yet, but the problem is when we reach down here, you can see it's peeling back really bad. Okay, and I'm gonna blame halfly or partly on the vinyl, because the glue on this thing is not aggressive at all, but also there's like a rough bed liner spray underneath this side skirt. You guys will understand if you check the newer cars. I don't know why they do it from factory, but it doesn't stick very well. I'm pretty sure if I had the right tools and I actually post heated it all the way through, I wouldn't have any problems. But I fixed it before with some adhesion promoter, post heated, laid it down perfectly, and I still have pullback. We're gonna keep walking around the car, okay? So this also is a problem. See that? This recess isn't even that bad. Look how aggressive my Lexus one is, but on hers, it's not even that aggressive. Maybe half an inch or 1/4 inch in, and it's pulling back already on all the door handles. I've actually punctured a hole, wrapped it, post heated it, and everything. When I first saw it, still pulling back. So that's really annoying. Even for here, you know, cleaned everything like I wanted to, and it's still pulling back. See, I'm actually just wrapping with my fingernail right now. So either my technique isn't great, or the adhesive isn't that amazing on this. And I prefer Vivid because it's super aggressive right out the spot, so you don't have to worry about pullbacks. It used to be pretty bad here on the trunk when I did the inlay, but I was able to lay it back down and post heat it really well, and now I have no problems. But I mean, I'm not targeting APA as anything. I just think for the money I spent, it's super cheap and could have been way better manufactured. The roof right here is actually Vivid gloss black, and I've not had a single problem on this at all. And even on the shark fin, it looks fantastic. So I'm glad I stuck with Vivid. People can talk trash about it all the time, but honestly, they're a really good product for the price. I mean, that's what you want. You want people to sell you something that is great, but also affordable for the consumer. You know, some people can't afford, you know, $5,000 to $10,000 wrap jobs. They want to do it themselves, like myself. But they want to buy a full roll of vinyl so that you can compensate for mistakes and things like that, and still not spend an arm and leg. Like I'll admit, at the time I had a discount, but I spent $1,000 plus on the rose gold chrome for 75 feet. Now for her car, I paid probably $800 for like 60 feet, and it still wasn't enough because that's why I did the roof black. But it's stupid I spent so much money on that vinyl, and I could have just done Vivid in the first place. The only reason why I bought it because a local shop had a roll, and I wanted to try it out because it had super like candy flaky colors into it. Come to find out, Vivid does have the same exact color, so you should check them out. But I'm not getting paid for this, but I am sponsored. But I'm definitely going to do more videos with Vivid vinyls. My brother's truck, you can see right there, it was wrapped in black chrome before, but we removed it. This car is going to be wrapped again, and I'm not going to tell you what color it is. He's deciding, but that car is going to get wrapped again. We'll be making more videos on that so I can do more reviews on the product. But yeah, it's been a year. The car has some slight pullback. Also here, trouble area right there. See that? It's peeling. There's actually a inlay in here, but like I said, this car needs to be redone. It's been over a year. I expect it to pull back by now. I actually have a roll of rose gold right here left. So definitely, not that I don't have the roll, I'm just not prioritizing my time for it right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, doing a quick unboxing and product review of the samples that I got. I'm gonna try them on probably on my brother's FJ and see how well they lay down and apply and how they look on a flat panel car and things like that. These are really nice colors. I'm glad I got the tint as well. Definitely gonna do a video on that soon. But these matte metallic colors are super nice to begin with, and I'm just ready to try it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a blessing to have a proposal and have a full sponsorship from Vivid, with any company, but specifically Vivid Vinyls, because I want to start vinyl wrapping more things and things like that. And I hope you guys really enjoy it. Big shout outs to Abraham over at Vivid for giving me the opportunity. I can't thank you enough. I'm so appreciative, and I hope that I can make more videos for everyone that's watching this channel. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're new, and just stay tuned for new content. I'm gonna be making way more videos now. So until then, peace.